Hey, welcome back. This is Adam from sunny South Florida. Glad to have you around today. Today's topic is going to be about, I know, we got to address the elephant in the room. Life insurance. I know most people don't want to talk about that, but you gotta, right? You know, people are like, Adam, do I really need life insurance? Well, let's see. Is there somebody that you care about, somebody that you love, that if something were to happen to you tomorrow, they would be impacted, they would be affected by the lack of your income? Then the answer would be yes, you need it. All right. At that point, it's not about, do you need it? It's about planning. All right. So if that person depends on your income in any way, even just a little bit, all right, obviously the more they depend on it, the more coverage you're going to need. So, life insurance is not just about expecting the worst. It's about making sure your family can keep that house, pay the bills, stay on track financially, in case something unexpected happens. All right. So a lot of people say, but Adam, I've got insurance at work. Now, a lot of people, have that work insurance that I hear so much about, and it's very limited, all right? You're certainly not getting $1 million policy at work, all right? And a lot of people don't realize that your policy is only effective when you are in active employment. What that means is that if you go on leave for any reason, sabbatical, pregnancy, you go out for a surgery, you have a, a terminal illness, right? Terminal illness, you're probably not coming back to work, right? Things can happen, when you're out. My doctor, and I really shouldn't be laughing, but my doctor, unfortunately, went on vacation with his family and became an angel prematurely while he was on vacation. Wasn't planning that, all right? But he wasn't on active employment, meaning he wasn't on payroll actively. So he probably wasn't covered. You need to check your policy, all right? Because there's some funny things in there with work insurance. Check it. Or sit down with me and we'll review it together. All right. So, I do work with people, down here in South Florida, as well as all over the country. I'd be happy to look at your policy with you. All right. The goal anywhere you are, though, is the same. All right. You want to make sure you got the right coverage and for the right amount, and that it's the right kind of insurance for you. Okay? If you're not sure what you need, then let's have that conversation. All right? Reach out if you want to talk about this, clearly, pressure free. All right? I'm here to help you, to make sure that your family is well protected. All right? Otherwise, have a great day. Give me a call.